Can you write Mom? M.
N.
M-O-M? M-O-M is Mom?
N.
No, no N. Remember, that's Mon. We talked about that. Hey, Mon. And then an O. Nice O. Thank you.
2 O's.
Oh, you want to write Moon? Moon is M.
L.
O. O. N.
2 O's.
That's Moon. And then Mom is M-O-M. A little confusing.
M. O. 2 O's. 2 O's. 2 O's.
2 O's.
Elmo.
Oh, you made it into Elmo! Can you show off some of your new letters, Wesley? I'm going to turn the paper over.
Oh.
Can you show us an R? Wow, nice R. How about a B? A B? Wow, what? I don't know what that is. But that's big. That's a D. Can you show us a B? Nice D, though. Very nice D.
D.
Here's a... Up here. Can you show us the B up here? B. B. Great, B. Very nice. How about a G? You know how to do a G now? Wow, awesome G, dude. Way cool. Nice G. Going a little overboard there, but that's fine. You learned some new words, didn't you, Wesley? Do you know how to...
I.
There's a nice I. You can draw all the letters in the alphabet now. T. T, U. V. W. X. Y. Z. That's almost a Z. There you go, Z. And Wesley, you're going to be what? 2 next month? You're going to be 2 years old next month. You're not even potty trained and you can write the alphabet. That is something else. A. B.
What D?
You want a D?
Okay.
Whoa. Hi.
What A, B, C, D, go get.
I know, you want all the letters, all at once. You want to take them into yourself and absorb them. You want the cat? What does the cat say?
Meow.
Meow.
V, 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 V.
A V. Oh. Oh, cat.
What kiss that?
You want to kiss the cat?
Okay.
Okay. How about a kiss for Mom?
No kiss.
No kiss for Mom? No kiss for Mom, only a kiss for the cat? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I love you. Mwah. Mwah.
What off? What off?
You want your alphabet?
What off? Off it.
All right, all right.
Alright. We're on.
Okay, I'll turn it on. It's gonna be loud and annoying.
Okay.
Okay, here you go. I love you.
On it.
Have fun. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Mommy.
Bye-bye.